So we're going to show you guys how to clean off this roof right here with the Soft Wash Factory 110 booster pump and manifold. So you can get rid of these valves here. Right here we got our water and we have our SH. In this line here, in this 1/2 inch line and the 1/4 inch line right here, this makes it for house wash, this makes it for roof wash. 6 and 1%. Alright guys, so now we're spraying our 6% SH right from the ground there. And we're hitting that top, no problem. Yeah, I really like this pump, guys, because, you know, it's just a little bit more than a 12 volt, but nothing crazy like those gas roof pumps. And hey, I love the gas roof pump, but shooting some roofs, you're just gonna end up with too much overspray. If you got wooden decks around, a bunch of furniture, a lot of shrubbery, plants, obviously, you're gonna have a big issue with overspray. Or even getting just drip marks all down the vinyl siding. The house is dirty, they only want the roof washed, and now they're looking at their siding like, what the hell? Because now you got spots on it or drip marks from the SH. Even if you're keeping it wet, guys, 6% SH is going to clean right through some water because it's just going to be a little diluted, just like the 1 to 10 for your house washes. But yeah, you guys can see right here though, I'm getting some good distance. That roof's nothing crazy anyhow, but I mean it is getting good distance. It's got an adjustable shooter tip on it. Yeah, I mean I have tons of tips that I use for different applications, stuff that people have never seen before that we're going to be coming out with. And I'll have a video coming out shortly on about probably 6 or 8 of the different tips that you can get for this. Some that you've seen before, some that is brand new to the market. And no, you cannot use the red gun on it. I know that you guys probably wanted to know that, but no, you cannot use a red gun. You can use an M5 twist though, so I like that. And also shooter tips, of course, and more. I'll come out with the video soon, guys. But this is the Soft Wash Factory 110 booster pump. I got it running on a generator. I bought the generator. It's like $350. I also have another generator that's over $1,000. That's for my house and for a larger booster pump as well. And it runs this booster pump, and it's also going to be running a Skyvac as well. So it's great to have a really big generator so you can run all of these pumps and machines. Also to note, guys, it is a little windy out today, so we're not getting the best performance out of it, but that stream, you can see, it's very tight all the way to the roof. It keeps a nice controlled stream going right to the roof when you have it all the way out to the shooter tip adjustment. Yeah, we're getting really good coverage on this roof here, guys. I mean, spraying it with 6%, we're only going to have to go over it once. That's what I like about spraying with 6%. Some of these guys, they're out there spraying 4% on roofs, 3% sometimes. You're going to have to spray it more than once, or you're not even ever going to get the right result either way, spraying it with 3 or 4%. Just cut the crap, pay for the SH. I mean, the customer pays for it anyway. So, alright guys, we're gonna wrap this job up here. We're just about to dump out the line, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. And of course, we're gonna be showing you guys pump versus pump videos, flow tests, everything. So check it out. Alright guys, I'm just gonna switch it over just to water, so I'm gonna turn off this SH. Dump out that line.